Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Listen to Speak podcast. I'm Rose.
And I'm Ryan. How are you doing today, Rose?
I'm great today, Ryan. I had such a nice morning.
Oh, what made it nice?
I woke up early, had my coffee by the window, and the sun was shining. Very peaceful.
I love sunny mornings too, but I didn't wake up early today.
No? What happened?
My alarm went off and I hit snooze.
Snooze. Do you all know this word? It means you pause the alarm for a few more minutes and go back to sleep.
A few more minutes, then a few more, then a few more.
And then you're running late.
Exactly. I was a bit late today.
Well, Ryan, this is actually our topic today.
Being late?
No, our topic is daily routines.
Routines? What does that mean exactly?
A routine is the things you do every day, usually in the same order. For example, I wake up, make coffee, and open the window every single day.
So a routine is like a daily plan.
Exactly. And everyone has one, even if it's slightly different each day.
I have a routine too. Wake up, hit snooze again.
That counts as a routine, yes. But first, a quick favor before we continue.
If you're enjoying this podcast, hit that like button.
And subscribe to Listen to Speak podcast.
And share this episode with a friend learning English.
Thank you so much. It really helps us.
We appreciate every listener.
Okay, let's walk through our day, starting with the morning. Ryan, what's the first thing you do after hitting snooze?
After snooze, I get out of bed.
Good. Get out of bed, a very common phrase. What's next?
I go to the bathroom, wash my face, and brush my teeth.
Perfect. The basics. We all do this daily.
Yeah, and after that, coffee.
Coffee is essential for you.
Extremely essential. I can't function before coffee.
I believe you. I love coffee too, but I do one thing before it.
Before coffee? What's more important than coffee?
I open the window for fresh air.
Fresh air before coffee. You're very healthy, Rose.
I try. The fresh air wakes my body up naturally.
For me, only coffee does that. Nothing else works.
Different routines, both perfectly fine. Now, breakfast. Do you eat breakfast, Ryan?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Ryan, breakfast is important.
I know. When I have time, I just have toast.
Quick and simple. I usually have something bigger, yogurt with fruit.
That's healthy. I just stick to toast with butter.
Toast works too. Simple is good. And after breakfast, do you get ready?
Yes, I take a very hot shower.
Very hot?
Extremely hot. It wakes me up. Like coffee, but for my whole body.
That's a great way to describe it. I take a warm shower, then get dressed.
Getting dressed is my real problem, Rose.
Your problem?
Yes, I open my closet, look inside, and think, I have nothing to wear.
Ryan, you clearly have plenty of clothes.
I know, but nothing feels right in the morning. I try one shirt, no. Another, no.
How long does this take?
Maybe 15, 20 minutes.
20 minutes just for clothes? I have a solution for you.
Please, tell me.
Pick your outfit the night before. Choose it before you sleep, and in the morning, there's zero thinking involved. Just put it on.
The night before? That's actually smart. It would save so much time and stress.
Exactly. You've got it.
I'll try that tonight. Pick tomorrow's outfit before bed.
Perfect. Now you're dressed. Time to head to work. How do you commute?
Commute? What does that mean?
It means traveling from home to work every day. How do you get there?
I take the bus.
Is it crowded?
Extremely crowded. So many people.
What do you do on the bus?
I put in my headphones and listen to music or a podcast.
A podcast, like Listen to Speak podcast?
Exactly. Very useful on the bus.
I hope so. I actually walk to work.
Every day? Really?
Yes, about 20 minutes. I really enjoy the morning walk.
20 minutes is quite long.
I don't mind. I look at the trees and just think about my day. No headphones, just thinking.
That sounds peaceful.
Exactly. Peaceful means calm, quiet, no stress.
My bus ride is definitely not peaceful.
No, but the podcast helps.
True. Okay, so we're at work now. What's the first thing you do?
I make myself a coffee.
Another one? Home coffee and work coffee? 2 total?
Sometimes 3.
Rose!
I know. Then I check my emails and plan my tasks for the day.
I do the same. Read emails first, then plan my tasks.
Tasks means the work you need to get done.
Right. And sometimes I have way too many.
I understand completely. What about lunch? Do you bring food or buy it?
I buy it. No time to prepare in the morning.
Because of the 20-minute closet situation?
Exactly. So I just grab a sandwich or soup nearby.
I bring my lunch from home. I prepare it the night before.
The night before again. You're very organized.
It saves time in the morning and it's cheaper too.
That's true. Buying food daily adds up.
Do you eat with coworkers at lunch?
Yes, sometimes we sit together, talk, laugh. It's a nice break.
A lunch break really matters. Your brain needs rest too.
My brain needs food, rest, and coffee.
All 3. What about the afternoon? How do you feel around 3 o'clock?
3 o'clock. The danger zone.
Why danger?
My eyes get heavy. I stare at my screen thinking, I need a nap.
That's extremely common in the afternoon.
Do you feel that too, Rose?
Yes, around 3, my energy drops a lot. Everything feels slow.
What do you do about it?
Another coffee, of course.
Another one. How many is that today?
3, maybe 4.
Rose!
I know, but it works. Sometimes I have a small snack, too.
A snack, meaning a small amount of food, not a full meal.
Exactly. Just something small between meals. A biscuit or a banana.
I snack too, an apple or some nuts.
Nuts like peanuts?
Yes, peanuts, almonds, small and healthy.
I love peanuts, but I usually go for chocolate biscuits.
Of course you do. I also drink green tea in the afternoon. No more coffee after lunch.
Green tea? Does it help?
Yes, it's lighter than coffee and keeps me calm.
Calm, no stress, peaceful.
Exactly. I'll try green tea tomorrow, after my 4th coffee.
One step at a time. And after work, how do you usually feel?
Tired. Very tired.
Same here. After a long day, I just want to get home.
The best moment is opening the front door.
Home really is the best. What's the first thing you do once you're in?
I take off my shoes and change clothes immediately.
Comfortable clothes, no more work outfit.
Exactly. T-shirt and soft pants, the best moment of my day.
I do the same. Then I just sit on the sofa and do nothing for 10 minutes.
Even 10 minutes of quiet really helps after work.
My brain just needs to pause. Then comes dinner. Do you cook?
I try, but I'm not great at it.
What happened?
Once I made pasta with way too much salt. I took one bite and drank a lot of water after.
Too much salt is a classic mistake.
And once I left pasta in boiling water way too long. It turned into pasta soup.
Pasta soup? That's creative, Ryan.
My cooking is very creative. Now I stick to simple things. Pasta, eggs, sometimes I just order food.
Ordering food is easy and sometimes necessary.
Very necessary. What about you?
I enjoy cooking in the evening. I have more time after work. I usually make soup or vegetables.
That's healthy.
And I find it relaxing, chopping vegetables, listening to music.
Chopping means cutting into small pieces.
Exactly. I chop onions, carrots, all of it.
I chop badly. Maybe I'll order food while you chop.
Good system. After dinner, what do you usually do?
I watch a series, maybe drama, action, or comedy.
Comedy is great after a long day. Laughing really helps you relax.
Definitely. It drops all the stress.
I read before bed, myself, about 30 minutes.
I try, but I fall asleep after 2 pages.
That just means the book is relaxing you. What time do you go to bed, Ryan?
Midnight, usually.
Midnight? I go to bed around 10. I'm a morning person.
One more episode, then one more, then one more.
And your phone before bed? Do you check it?
Yes, messages, social media, just for a few minutes.
A few minutes?
Maybe 30. Or an hour.
Ryan!
I know. The phone really isn't great before sleep.
Blue light wakes up your brain. It tells it that it's still daytime.
So my brain thinks it's daytime at midnight.
Exactly. That's why falling asleep is hard. Try putting your phone away 30 minutes before bed.
Just 30 minutes? I can try that.
Your brain will thank you.
My brain says thank you, Rose.
You're welcome, Ryan's brain. So you're definitely an evening person.
Yes, I do better at night than in the morning.
And I'm the opposite. Better in the morning, useless at midnight.
Morning person, evening person, both okay.
Completely normal. The key is knowing yourself and building a routine that fits you.
Work with your body, not against it.
Exactly. Well said. Let's quickly review what we covered today.
Review time. We talked about daily routines.
All the small things we do every day, morning, work, and evening.
In the morning, we wake up, wash our face, brush our teeth.
And drink coffee, very important. Then breakfast, getting dressed, and commuting.
Commute means traveling from home to work. Me by bus, you by walking.
Exactly right. At work, we check emails, handle tasks, and take a lunch break.
Buying lunch or bringing it from home.
After work, we head home, change clothes, and relax.
Cook dinner, watch something, maybe read.
And then sleep. Morning people early, evening people late. Both totally normal.
You remembered everything, Rose.
I learned a lot, too, especially about your new night before system.
I'll actually try it tonight.
That's all for today's episode. Thank you so much for listening to Listen to Speak podcast.
Yes, thank you all. This was a fun conversation about our daily lives.
Please subscribe to Listen to Speak podcast
And give this episode a like. It really helps us.
and share it with a friend learning English.
We have a question for you today. Are you a morning person or an evening person?
Tell us one thing you do every single day. Write it in the comments using English.
We'd love to read your answers.
See you in the next episode, everyone.
Keep practicing your English.